Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Matt Bogosian. I'm a real estate agent here in the Franklin, Tennessee area. You probably clicked on this video because you're somebody that is thinking about moving here to Tennessee, and more specifically, maybe even the Franklin, Tennessee or Leipers Fork area, and you want to learn more about it. You want to learn more about the community and about the people and what it's like to live here in Tennessee. So that's why I put videos like this together. I know it's really hard for people like you that live out of state and you're trying to figure out if this is the right place for you. Now, I've got plenty of videos out there where I do tours of homes and of subdivisions where there's homes packed right next to each other. And a lot of those are beautiful. But my true passion and what I really, really love to do is jump on my dual sport motorcycle and take you guys for rides down these back roads in Williamson County. I love taking you guys down these more scenic roads where you can get a real good feel for how beautiful it is here in Tennessee. Sure, we've got areas that are congested with traffic and shopping and houses and all of that stuff, but not very far from those areas, you can find roads just like this one. This road that I'm on today is called Carl Road, and it is in the Leipers Fork area of Franklin, Tennessee. I started out on the Carter's Creek Pike side, and I'm going to ride the entire road, which isn't very long, all the way over to South Hall Road. As you can see, the ride is just absolutely beautiful. There's woods and pastures and these beautiful wood fences lining the streets. I really love this one section right here. It just amazes me that somebody thought years ago that it would be a good idea to plant these trees evenly right here along the road. And their hard work really paid off because it is absolutely gorgeous to drive through this section. I really love it. There's lots of winding turns and there's some elevation changes that make this a real beautiful ride. I really just love looking at the pastures, and there's a barn dominium off to the right, and even at one point, I think it was back a little while ago, we passed over the Harpeth River. There's a little bridge, and you can stop and kind of look at the river if you want to do that. But it's a really beautiful ride, and we're going to end up on South Hall Road, and if you take a left, it takes you right into Leipers Fork. You'll pass by Leipers Fork Distillery, which if you haven't heard of that or haven't been there, you really need to take a look at that. I think a lot of people have a good time there. And you don't have to drink. Just get a water or something like that and just relax and have a good time. If you're thinking about moving here, you're probably not going to have a lot of luck trying to find or build a home here on Carl Road. This area of Franklin is very expensive. And in addition to that, they require that every home be sitting on 5 acres or more. It's just hard to come by a lot that's approved for septic and that's affordable and where you can build a home here. So I'm not necessarily saying that you're going to be able to move here, but if you're coming here to visit, I really suggest you stop by and check out Carl Road, guys. Thank you so much.